Have you ever stood at the edge of a property investment feeling like you are about to dive into the unknown? It's a common fear, but what if I told you there's a way to turn that leap into a confident stride? Hello, I'm Rupali from Kickstart Properties, your beacon in the complex world of real estate investment. We are here to transform confusion into clarity and dreams into reality. Picture this, you are not just playing a game, you are mastering an art. The art of property investment, where every piece must fit perfectly. It's like a world where a mortgage broker isn't just a broker, but your financial navigator, finding you the best deals, where an accountant doesn't just crunch numbers, but crafts a strategy that syncs to your financial future. Imagine a property strategist who doesn't just advise, but aligns your dreams into reality, guiding you through each step with precision and care. And then there's us, your buyer's agent at Kickstart Properties. We don't just find properties, we unearth gems that fit your unique strategy, ensuring you pay the right price for the right place. But the ensemble doesn't end here. A lawyer to safeguard your interest, a property manager to nurture your investment, and an insurance broker to protect your future. Each player is a soloist, but together we perform a symphony orchestrated to make your property investment journey harmonious and hassle-free. The magic, it's not just in assembling these A players, it's in how they unite under one vision that is yours. Ensuring seamless collaborations, they work with a single purpose to champion your success, making the process not just efficient, but exhilarating. So, where does your journey begin? It's with a conversation with us, where we delve into your aspirations, ignite your motivation, and begin to assemble your dream team. Whether you are enhancing your squad or starting from scratch, we are here to strategize. Celebrate each victory with you. The market waits for no one, and neither should you. Reach out to Kickstart Properties. Let's embark on this journey together, turning your property aspirations into achievements. Your next chapter starts now. And that's just a peek into how we can illuminate your property investment path. Want more insights and strategies? Subscribe to our channel now and never miss an update. Each video is a step towards your property success. Hit the subscribe, tap the bell for notifications, and turn your property dreams into achievement. Ready to start? We are here to chat. Subscribe today. Your investment journey awaits. Cheers.